Sick of waiting for payday? Think apps like Beforepay are a magic money machine? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of early paycheck apps. We'll uncover the truth. Does Beforepay actually give you more money, or is it just a tempting trap? Let's be real, payday can feel like an eternity away. Life throws curveballs, unexpected bills, car repairs, that irresistible concert ticket, and your wallet screaming for help. Early paycheck apps like Beforepay seem like a lifesaver, promising access to your earned wages early. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's break it down. On the plus side, Beforepay can definitely provide a much-needed financial cushion. Need cash for that urgent medical bill? Beforepay can get you the funds you've already earned, potentially avoiding late fees or overdraft charges. This can be a real game-changer for managing unexpected expenses and preventing financial stress. And let's not forget the convenience factor. No more scrambling for loans or relying on high-interest payday loans. With Beforepay, you're essentially borrowing from your future self, which can feel less risky than traditional borrowing options. The not-so-good. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides. While Beforepay might seem like free money, there's usually a catch. Most early paycheck apps charge fees, either flat fees or subscription fees. These fees can eat into your earnings, potentially negating the benefit of early access to your pay. Another thing to consider, over-reliance on these apps can mask underlying financial issues. If you're consistently relying on early paycheck apps to cover basic expenses, it might be a sign that your income doesn't align with your spending habits. It's crucial to address the root cause of your cash flow problems instead of just treating the symptoms. So, does Beforepay give you more money? Not directly. It simply provides earlier access to the money you've already earned. Whether it's a helpful tool or a potential money pit depends entirely on how you use it. Beforepay can be a valuable resource for managing unexpected expenses and avoiding financial emergencies. However, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Be mindful of the fees, understand your spending habits, and use it as a temporary solution, not a long-term crutch. Ultimately, the key is financial awareness. Track your income and expenses, create a budget, and explore other options for improving your financial situation. Early paycheck apps can be a helpful tool, but they're not a magic bullet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.